Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, that is BTK. So today's video is how to apply nail paint to our nails and how to take care of our nails. So let's get started. Take a oil in a bowl. Apply the oil to our nails with the help of cotton, or you can do directly with the hands. Then after that, give a gentle massage. Uh, why we are applying oil means we are giving nourishment or moisture to our nails so that it doesn't break very fastly, as we give our face very nourishment by applying moisturizer and all. So like that only the oil gives the moisture for the nails. So do it for every nails. Give a good massage for your nails. After massaging, keep the oil for a few minutes so that it absorbs the oil. Nails absorb the oil. Keep it like that for a few minutes. After keeping for few minutes, take a cotton ball and wash it off, or we can wash with the help of water also. Then soak your fingers in water for few minutes. Wash off the oil from your hands in that water. Take a cloth and wipe off the water in your hands. Now we can apply the nail paint to our hands, to our nails. So I'm taking a chocolate color, a nude color of nail polish. You can take whatever color you want. I have this one, so I am using it. Before using it, shake the nail bottle or nail paint bottle lightly. Now we can apply. First coat should be light, and the second coat you need to do 2 to 3 coats of paint so that it will be in our nails for a long time, or else it will go off in 1 week itself. So if you want for long time, you need to apply 2 to 3 coats of nail paint. Slowly do it for every fingers. Now I have applied for 4 fingers. This is the last finger. I hope you can see. Okay. Now this is the first coat. Now we are going to apply the second coat. Keep the first coat after it getting dry, little bit dry, then you apply the second coat, or else the first and the second coat will get mixed and it looks ugly. Okay, so leave. Apply the second coat of paint to every nails. So we have completed the second coat of nail paint. Now this is the third coat of nail paint. Now we completed the third coat of paint also. Let it dry. See now how dark it is. It will stay for a long time also if we'll go to 2 to 3 times. I usually do like this.